This is definitely gonna be a great meal for the whole family, including kids. It's so good. It looks amazing. I love chicken cordon bleu, but instead of making it the traditional way, today I will make it into a casserole. So let's start prepping. I'm gonna start by getting the chicken in the oven. You can use leftover chicken, rotisserie chicken, fresh chicken. I'm just using some breasts, and I'm gonna cook 3 breasts. Give them some salt and pepper. I'm going to stick them in the oven until they're cooked. Now I'm going to cut up about a half of this ham. So I just bought a chunk from the store. I'll just use half of it. And cut it up, like dice it up real good. We'll set that aside. You'll get some Swiss cheese, shredded, about 1.5 cups. So set this aside. All right, I'll just get all these chicken breasts cubed up real quick. Now you can shred your chicken, but I like cubes more than shred. I don't know why, but I do. All right, we'll set that aside. Okay, here's the fun part. We start layers. So we'll spray a casserole dish. We will add the chicken. Spread it all around the dish. This is going to be a lot of food. And now the ham. Set this aside, and we'll make the sauce. Okay, for the sauce, we're going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Make sure you get all that out. A 1/2 can of milk. A tablespoon of mustard. Good. Your salt and pepper. Some onion powder. Probably a teaspoon of each. I just add as much as I see fit for my family. And give it a good stir. All those chunks blended well with the soup. I'm going to add some Swiss cheese. I'm going to add about 3/4 cup to a cup. Just a handful basically. Well, I guess a handful and a bit. Give that a stir. stirring back our meat mixture. We will add the sauce to the meat. Try to spread it around as evenly as possible. Get all of it out of the bowl. Add some more of your Swiss cheese on top. As much as you want, probably 1.5 cups for this whole recipe. Now I'm going to put some panko breadcrumbs right on top. Just a thin layer on top of your casserole. And then I have a half a stick of melted butter here. I'm going to give it a quick stir. And you just drizzle it over the whole top. Oh my God, you guys, this is going to be so good. I can tell already. Alright, now I'm going to put it in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes and I will return. Okay guys, check this out. Oh my God, it looks so good. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing. So crispy. This was definitely easier than rolling chicken and ham and cheese together. And everything is basically pre-cooked. If you use like a rotisserie chicken, it's pre-cooked, the ham's pre-cooked. All you're really doing is warming everything up. This is definitely gonna be a great meal for the whole family, including kids. It's so good. It looks amazing. Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you in the next video.